Welcome to Fact Excel Academy. I am Keval Vijay and today I am going to teach you lecture 22 of MS Excel 2021. Today we are going to explore the review tab in detail. Within this tab we will learn about the spell check, the thesaurus and word statistics. Furthermore, we will cover how to check accessibility, use the Smart Lookup feature and use the translate function to enhance your documents. So, as always, before starting the lecture, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something new from today's video, please do like and share this video because your one like can help this video reach more and more people. So, let's start today's lecture. So, first of all, we will talk about how to check spelling in this. In Excel, whenever you type any word, you can also check its spelling. In Word, whenever you write a spelling, for example, I have open Word here, and whenever we open Word and then type any spelling, like instead of apple, I typed opal, a red underline appears below it. This lets us know that the spelling is incorrect. But that's not the case in Excel. In Excel, whenever you type a spelling, you won't get any indication whether your spelling is correct or not. So you have to check it manually. Click on the word you suspect might be misspelled and then click on spelling. When you click on spelling, this dialog box will open in front of you. The fact that this dialog box opens means that your spelling is incorrect or this word is not in the English dictionary. As you can see here, it says not in dictionary. This word is not in the dictionary. In the suggestions, the first options you see are the correct spellings according to the dictionary. Like here, apple appears at the top, then topple, couple, etc. So we select apple, and after that, when we click on change, your spelling will be corrected. If you click on change all, then wherever this spelling appears on the sheet, it will be automatically corrected. If you click ignore, it will remain as it is, and if you add it to the dictionary, it will be added permanently. So whenever you type this spelling, it will be considered correct. So here we click on change and then we close it. Now you can see that your spelling has been corrected. After that, if we click again to check spelling and grammar, you'll see it says spelling check complete. You are good to go, meaning the dialog box did not open again. If we write a word from another language on the sheet, like Urdu, Hindi, or any language other than English, for example, I typed Bhavesh here and pressed enter, and then we want to check if the spelling is correct, we click on spelling and grammar check. You'll see that similar words appear, but since this word is from the Hindi language, it is not considered correct. So what we need to do is add it to the dictionary so that whenever we write this word, the computer will consider it correct. We click on add to dictionary, and after clicking add to dictionary, you need to click yes. Now your spelling will be considered correct, and whenever you type this name, like here I typed Bhavesh and pressed enter and check it again, you'll see it shows as correct because I added it to the dictionary. If you click on the correct spelling and then click change and yes, your spelling will be added. In this way, you can also add spellings. Next, let's talk about thesaurus. If you want to search for words similar to a given word, for example, you typed school and want to find all the words related to school, you need to click on Thesaurus. You'll see here related words like university, college, seminary, and many more appear. If you want to copy or add any of these similar words, right-click copy, and then right-click and paste it wherever you want. This is how you can use it. Now, if I write another word here like search, and I want more words similar to search, I can click here or press Shift plus F7 on the keyboard or click on Thesaurus. As soon as we click here, all the words related to search like examination, hunt, etc. will appear. You can click on them, see their categories, and if you want to add them, right click and click insert to insert them at that spot. Now after clicking here, you need to right click and then click on insert and it will be inserted here. In this way we can add it. And after that, Kumar, we will talk about workbook status. If you want to know about your workbook, how many sheets are in your workbook, where formulas are used, whether tables have been applied or not, you can get all this information from here. For example, I have added some values here, like I typed 500, 200, and 300. After adding some values here, I go to home. And here I have applied an auto sum formula. As you can see, the formula has also been applied here. Now, if you want to know complete details about this sheet, what do? We go to review, click on workbook status, and as you can see, all the information about your workbook opens up here. So at the end of the sheet, you see E6 here. E6 is the last cell where data has been entered. There are 12 cells with data. Tables are 0 here. One formula has been used here. Work has been done on one workbook sheet. There are 12 cells with data here, tables are 0, and there is one formula. So you are getting information about both the current sheet and the entire workbook here. After that, next, Kumar, we will talk about check accessibility. When you click here, you can check if there are any errors, and you can also add tags. You can also format the table here. If you have already inserted a table or want to insert one, you can click on format table and directly apply commands from here. You just need to click, and after that, when we come back to review, next, Kumar, here you have merge and unmerge. If you have merged cells, for example, we click here, go to home, and after clicking on home, you click on merge center. Then when we come to review and click on merge, it will also unmerge. After that, there is one more thing in Kumar's section. When you click here on option accessibility, as soon as you click here, the accessibility tab opens in front of you. A dialog box will open. Here, see, we have screen tip style. As soon as you bring the cursor here, you can see the related commands being shown. If you want to turn off this command or you do not want this tooltip to show, then click here, click on options, and then click on do not show screen tips. After clicking, whenever you bring the cursor here, now see, you are not seeing any information about any command here. If your command ever gets turned off like this by mistake, just click here, then go to options, and here you need to enable it, show feature description and screen tips. As soon as you click here, you will see it showing up here. In this way, you can activate or deactivate the command here. After that, next, Kumar, we have Smart Lookup. Smart Lookup is a very powerful command, a new feature. Let's add something here, and for this, it's important that I'm explaining this in Kumar as it is, or after that in accessibility. But for Smart Lookup, it is necessary to have an internet connection. You click here, like I typed world here, Falcon Computer Academy. I wrote the name of my academy. Now if I want to know details about it, as soon as we click on Smart Lookup, after selecting the name and clicking on Smart Lookup, you will see that you get complete details about it. For example, here it shows Fac Computer Academy Magical Tip, which is a lecture I uploaded on YouTube, and it tells you about that. Then by clicking on show more, it gives you more details like followers, then location, then address. Everything is shown here for me. And after that, see here, Falcon Computer Academy. This is the YouTube channel. When we click here, you can see that they have also provided the link to the YouTube channel. Now, as soon as you click, you can see that you are getting information about it here. In this way, you can type any word here and get information about it. Next, we are going to study about translate. If you want to translate any word, you can use this feature in any language. For example, I wrote Falcon Computer Academy. If I want to write this word in Hindi or in Urdu, I can do that. Or if I want to translate it into any other language, I just have to click on translate here. As soon as I click on translate, this translation box will open in front of you. So as you can see here, Falcon Computer Academy is written here. Now look, here we have Computer Academy, and then we have this cute little thing, and after that, if you want to write something else here, for example, let me close this, and suppose I type here, Learners Excel 2021 class. If I want to translate this into any other language, I just have to click here, where I have written the data. We click on translate, and as soon as we click on translate, it will appear translated in front of you. Now see, here it has translated from English, and if we want to translate it into another language, we just have to click here. For example, I typed Hindi as the language, and we click on Hindi, and as soon as we click on Hindi, just wait a moment, and it will be translated into Hindi for you. So as you can see, it has now been translated into Hindi as well. You just have to right click on this data here, copy it, and then go to wherever you want to paste it. Click on home and then click on paste. And as you can see, your translated content will be pasted there as well. So look, here we have it translated into Hindi as well. If you want to translate it into another language, you can click here. For example, if I want to bring in Urdu, I will go to the end here. At the end, I typed Urdu here. So let's wait a bit. Click here and then select this. You can press Ctrl plus C or after selecting it, press Ctrl plus C and then click inside here. You can also paste it by pressing Ctrl plus V. Secondly, as you can see here, we can translate into any language and paste it anywhere we want. So, this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you lecture number 22 in MS Excel 2021. I hope you found it useful. You must have learned a lot of new things in today's class. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.